decided to work at the Clifton market. It seems like a really friendly place that has great local food.
Hi, my name is Idolish7. I'm from the Democratic Republic of Congo, and I go to UC, and I'm studying information technology.
So it's like pop stars. We dance for basically fun, and we do whatever we want. And we're just here to make people smile as much as we can.
Yeah.
And that's really our job, is just to make people smile. That's all we really want to do.
And where are you right now?
We're in Clifton.
We're in the Clifton Plaza, where people usually perform their talents. Like, people do bands and people do just like dancing, whatever they like to do. And we're like, hey, let's just start dancing. Our dances, because we've been working on them for more than over a year. So we decided to finally perform them.
So we're very happy to be being able to see people smile when we dance.
Yeah.
Thank you. Well, you're very successful at that.
Thank you
very much.
You guys have a great day.
Thank you.